What's up, guys? Glad here, and it's raining. Yeah, I'm in my room. And this is gonna be another vlog and stuff. But we're gonna open one of these. Yep. Yes, we have the Pokemon trading card game. The Pokemon card is the 20th anniversary for Pokemon. So congratulations, Pokemon. Well, yeah, let's get started, shall we? Open the pack. Let's see what's inside. I never opened it yet. I'll just show it to you guys to see my reaction. So, oh look, a Ghastly. Look, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a Ghastly. And I have these things where I never had one before. It's these pack stuff. So I'm gonna show you these stuff first, and see what it's like. Oh, coming with this pack stuff. I'll try to open it. I don't have scissors. Why did I never? Oh yeah, I got it. I forgot. Ooh, look at this Ghastly though. Look at it, shiny. Oh, an Executor. Oh yeah, Executor. A Zubat. Ooh, I don't have one of those. Mantine. I already have these things. Sandslash with the Thunder. Who will be doing it? Pikachu? I don't know. Yeah, Gramble. And a Pidgey. Ooh, I never have Pidgey. So it's good to have this. Miss Drivels. You guys can just Google the name. I can't pronounce it, so here you go. You guys see it. Here you go. Hoopa. I watched the movie, the Hoopa movie, and he's so strong. He can summon any legendary Pokemon with his rings. So cool. Jumpluff. A Totodile. I already have a Totodile, so Launcher. So good. Last one. Furfrou. It's good. Mareep. Natu. Ooh, Natu. Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff. Mac Cargo. Ooh, a Raichu. Steelix. It's good. I have a Mega Steelix, so it's just gonna be good. A Kakuna. Here's a Kakuna. Yes, I finally have a Weedle, evolution stage. Yes. Ooh, a Mokro. Ooh, I have another Zygarde. Yes. Ooh, a Hoppip. Quilava. I have Typhlosion, so it is lava. So good. All I need is Cyndaquil. This I can't pronounce it. I don't think I can see it. Is it upside down for you guys? I don't know. Fluffy, it's good. Pyroar. Ooh, Pyroar. This is the male version. What? Look at the evolution thing. It says evolved from Chikorita. Fake. Still like it though. Makes sense. Mission. Togepi. Vulpix. Rosarin, the big one. Arbok. Butterfree. Ooh, Butterfree. Good. Another evolution I gonna get is Espeon. Yes. He's gonna be put in my collection. Pancham, the Buffalo costume. Wobbuffet in a Magnum costume. What is this? Mega Charizard. Why? I don't know what this is. Guys, I think it's just like the breakthrough cards. I think. Maybe. So cool. I can put this somewhere. A Mega Alakazam. Good. So that's all with this pack. Now I'm really excited to open this pack. You can see. Wait a second. Oh, maybe it's the reflection. Sorry guys. Sorry. I'm sorry. I forgot this is gonna be reflection stuff. Okay, it's here. Oh man, a Steam stage. I already have a Steam stage. 10 additional Pokemon cards. Okay, let's open this like any other YouTuber does. Let's do this. I don't know how to open this. Wait, let me just. Give me a second. Guys, I'm using a pen. It worked. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay. Like any other pack like this, there's only gonna be a rare and a reverse cards, right? So it's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, and then put 2 back. Yeah, I think. Okay, let's see what we're gonna get. Toxicroak. Okay. Murkrow. Another Murkrow. Another Zygarde, so it's okay. Togepi. Greninja. I already have a Greninja, but this one. Look at this one. No water stricken though. Yeah, here's a Greninja. Slugma. Nidoqueen. I have a Nidoking, but this is a Nidoqueen. It's good. Really good. Vulpix. And Igglybuff. Oh. Okay. So my best ones I think that I like are let me just take them all. I think my favorite ones are Mega Charizard. Why? Just that one. Espeon, Hoopa, Mixin, and Greninja. Well, that's for this vlog. It's just like a boxing vlog or something. So if you guys want to see more of Pokemon card unboxing, please do it down below, and see you guys next time. Bye.